Here's a Trans Am to take a look at unique, especially in classics. If you're in the market for one of these, definitely listen up, pay attention, and check out the still pictures when I tell you where those are at. So you can take a look at this car. This particular car, great ownership history. One owner, bought new, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, has always been in our area. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 27,000 miles on this one is all. Also comes with the original purchase order, or I should say a copy of the invoice. There's a folder of receipts as far as the maintenance, the upkeep on this car that will also go with it. Well-maintained and documented car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, and definitely take a look at the underside. Look at how clean it is. Has not been driven in inclement weather. Still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, the WS6 Ram Air package, I believe, was over $3,000 on this car when it was new. The front, I wanted to show, yeah, there are some very, very real fine spots where there's little tiny rock chips. I want to point those out, but you can see the reflection coming off that paint. Original black paint on this car. Dark pewter leather interior, bucket seats. Of course, a 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. This one would have the Hurst shifter in it. Also has the custom bucket seats and the electronic traction control. Those were all options that were ordered with this car. Of course, the polished WS6 wheels and in nice shape. T-top car. Interior, all stock. I've not really noticed any modifications on this car. Tinted windows, of course, and you can see that in the still pictures. So make sure you know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you're allowed to have on the car, where you will title this at if you're purchasing it. It also has the sunshades that go in the T-tops, and also the Pontiac CD holder with keychain, I believe, is in there. A couple other things. Look in the still pictures. Have it all in the still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. One thing I did notice, and I think you could probably PDR it, there is one little tiny ding. I don't even know if I can get it to show up right there. But again, could be PDR'd, and that's being awful fussy on a car, considering this thing is over 20 years old now. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. All right, so all your modern amenities, of course, that you're going to get on a 99 Trans Am. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. But look at the condition of the door panels. Lots of times, you know these, they can crack up here. Good shape. Power driver's seat, and take a look at the condition of the leather seating area. The bolster just doesn't really show any wear at all. No rips, tears, holes. Non-smoker car, no odor to it. Of course, tilt column, steering wheel controls for the Monsoon radio system. That would be AM, FM, CD with built-in equalizer. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can see the exact miles also. All right. There it is, 27,244. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. All the gauges are working. You can tell the car was stored indoors. The dash is not faded, cracked, weather checked, anything like that. Slip around in the back. Sounds as you'd expect. 5.7 liter 1999 Trans Am to sound, unaltered. Nice little rumble. All right, let me slip up to the front of this car. I want to pop this hood open. Ram Air hood. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, get the ram air hood open. And that is functioning, of course, right here. Ram air intake. Power steering, power brakes, AC. 5.7 liter paired up with that 6-speed. Manual transmission. Here's an example of how fussy the owner was on this vehicle. Lots of times you'll see replacement batteries put in a vehicle. This one, right back with AC Delco. Sounds good, looks good, well taken care of. This one won't last long. 1999 Pontiac Trans Am T-Top Coupe WS6 package. One owner, only a little over 27,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.